everyone, welcome back. This is Dr. Meenka Yuvraj and welcome back again to my channel, The Meenka Blog for Fitness, Health and Beauty Tips. Guys, actually I was searching on Amazon on my laptop about the Garnier products, right? Garnier products for men, and actually I was searching this Garnier Man Power White Anti-Dark Cell Fairness Face Wash. Oh my god, so big name. I mean, it's very tough to recognize also this big name. Actually on Amazon I was searching that Garnier face wash for men, right? But I found that there are tons and tons of products in the category of face wash, right? So this one is the Power White Anti-Dark Cell. Then a lot of more Garnier products also, right? But I thought let's make a video because I found this is really very good product for men's skin, and you know, in my family the men's are really using this product since long time. So that's why I'm doing some research that why, you know, this product is so good and what is the added value in this product, right? So this is basically a two-in-one product. Two-in-one product means you're getting the brightening plus the freshness, along with, you know, it removes the impurities or pollutants from the skin, right? So the key ingredient of this product is the lemon extract and the antioxidant grape water. Lemon, everybody knows lemon is very good even if you're applying on the skin or you're drinking. So lemon is very good for skin in all the way, like for anti-aging, darkness, hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, dull skin, spotless skin, right? So all these things, lemon is very good. So our lemon extract is it in this product, it means the product is improving your skin tone eventually in 1 month or 2 months if you're using it regularly. The second in it is the antioxidant grape water. Grape water is very good, considered as antioxidant जो हमारी स्किन से pollutants को और जो डलनेस को इन सबको रिमूव करता है, जो डार्क स्किन सेल्स है इसको रिमूव करता है, and make the skin brighter and lighten. Right, so the price of this product is 190 rupees and the quantity is 100 grams, so it's quite affordable. अगर आप मार्केट में और भी प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं, so they are also of the same range and the same quantity, right? But it has a good thing is that the small beads in this that work as a scrub on the skin, right? So if you see the products in the market, it doesn't have beads, it's a plain face wash, right? But it has the beads that is called the micro beads, I think it is called, right? And when we apply it, you know, in a small quantity, we'll take it and apply it properly on the face with the circular motion, clockwise and anti-clockwise in upper direction, right? With the fingertips only, not using the full hand, only the fingertips using and washing it by the hand in upper direction motion. Then we will get a very good skin tone, brighter skin, remove all the impurities and glowing skin in 1 or 2 months if you're using consistently, right? So intensive summer makes skin produce dark cells, right? अगर हम summer में बहुत time रहते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा धूल मिट्टी में रहते हैं, then skin पर एक dark cells की layer आ जाती है जिसको निकालना बहुत tough होता है. तो जो micro particles इसमें है, that has to remove all these dark cells, right? And exposes to pollution and dirt from dark skin, right? Appear becomes dark मीन्स सन में अगर हम बहुत टाइम तक रहते हैं, जो स्किन हमारी रहती है वो ज्यादा डार्क हो जाती है और जो डेड सेल्स होती है वो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है. तो ये प्रोडक्ट को यूज करने से ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल गो अप एंड यू फील गुड, you feel brighter and whiter skin, right? So this makes the skin whiter and it improves the skin tone by deep cleaning the skin, right? It cleans instead of the normal cleaning. It deep cleans the skin because it has the microparticles in it, along with intensive dead skin removal, right? It works extensively to remove all the dead skins from the skin, right? So because there's no dead skin, it means your skin is the right, you know, what is the actual skin tone of your skin. You'll see that skin tone if you're using it properly, consistently, right? So you can see this is a beautiful the face wash, and here you can open it up from here and you can see this is the small particles in this. I don't know you can see it from here or not, but I can feel it, the small particles in it. And that is actually, I like this. Even this is, although it's men's, but I have also used this sometimes and it's really refreshing. This I have used other also, but it's really very refreshing. When I use it, you feel the difference. You feel the freshness on the face and the freshness on the skin, right? So I think it's because of the ingredients. It have the different ingredients which is available in the other products. So it has completely altogether different ingredient, and the main extract is the lemon and grape water, which is considered as the antioxidant, right? So I think this is the beauty of the product, and obviously if you're using it, the good product in a right way, then only it will work. If you're not using whatever the product you'll take, if you're not using in a right way, तो उसका effect नहीं होगा and you'll not get the good result. So guys, this is a simple review about this because I was doing some research on this product. So this is really very good to use, affordable है and good result है. You'll get a good glowing whitened skin, remove all the pollutants, remove all the darkness, dullness and get spotless skin within no time. So guys, thank you very much for my quick sweet video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can see my video first. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video.